Hello, viewers. All the management students and managers are welcome on this portal. I am Arun Chadda and I am going to talk to you about focused outlook. This short lecture is an extract of commercial training and information program which I used to do some time back. A business succeeds with focused outlook and the same has many important functions attached to it. A businessman cannot survive unless and until he has a focused outlook, an ability to identify. The process of focused outlook or ability to concentrate is of vital importance, and the process of focusing starts from identification. Identification of the problem area, evaluation of daily reports. This is one of the sources through which we can work out that where the organization is stuck up or lagging behind. You need to have a wisdom of doing some kind of data compilation. Now, data compilation is not only from the information you are receiving from internal resources. You need to receive information from markets as well, whether it is purchase area, finance area, maintenance area, or management area, or maybe market area, sales area, distribution area. There are something like 2021 consolidation, business consolidation areas, which we need to understand, and we have to focus on the organization for its development. So it starts from identification, that is matching to the needs or problem areas of the organization. Then is the data compilation. It is extraction of data from various sources, which I have already explained you. Analysis. Now, whatever data is received by us, we have to somehow or the other format it to and work out comparatives. Because one operation is auditing the other operation within the organization, it is again a chain block, and whenever that chain block is disturbed somewhere, the problems crop up. So we need to format the data, give it a systemic order so that we are able to work out some comparatives. We are able to compare out the figures. The third step in the process is matching with market paradigms. Now, sometimes from wherever we have sourced the information, how authentic it is, it has to be rechecked, cross evaluated with the market paradigms. Market operates on certain ranges. Those ranges should not be jumped by any kind of information that we are receiving. So it is within that framework we have to work out and find out that where the organization is stuck up. Filtering for advancing towards a theory. Then again, whatever formatting has been done, analysis has been done, some final information has been compiled with, we have to filter out and carry out a step-by-step evaluation for working out a theory that how the problem has to be resolved, and the theory is operating under what conditions. This is a very important area. Then we need to, when we work out a theory, we need to seek the vote of others. We need to seek the other's opinion, and it has to be seen, because the theory is going to operate under certain conditions, how we can match those conditions. So others vote, how the outsiders or maybe our colleagues also are looking at the problem, and then collectively it has to be resolved. Resolutions means strategizing. Strategizing is a short term policy we have to work out that this is how we can sustain the condition, and this is how gradually it has to be repaired. That is known as strategizing. So, focused outlook is very, very important for all the responsible people within an organization, and immediately any problem that an organization is running into should be brought to the focus areas of the superiors, so that the organization runs in a smooth manner. That is all I would like to say for now. Thank you for your patient listening. Have a nice day.